Let's rewind to 1.5 million years ago. Meet Homo erectus, the first humans built for endurance. In 1984, paleoanthropologist Richard Leakey unearthed the Nariokotomi boy in Kenya, a teenager's skeleton revealing dense bones, robust joints, and muscle attachments rivaling modern athletes. His strength wasn't optional, it was survival. Fast forward to 300,000 years ago. At Schöningen, Germany, archaeologists found 10 wooden spears, the oldest hunting weapons ever discovered. Crafted by Homo heidelbergensis, these 6-foot javelins required immense upper body strength. Dr. Annemiek Milk's experiments proved they could be thrown over 60 miles per hour, enough to take down a prehistoric horse. But raw power wasn't enough. Daniel Lieberman, Harvard evolutionary biologist, argues prehistoric humans were ultra-endurance specialists. Fossilized footprints in Tanzania's Laetoli, 3.6 million years old, show our ancestors walked miles daily. Their bodies? Low body fat, hyper-efficient muscles, and bones 50% denser than ours, a fact confirmed by Tim Ryan's 2010 X-ray studies of ancient femurs. Now, flash to 2023. Modern humans rarely sprint for dinner, but our strength has pivoted. In a study led by Dr. Maria Mednikova, scans of ancient and modern bones revealed a shocking twist. Sedentary lifestyles have cost us 20% of our ancestors' bone density. Yet, neurologist Robert Sapolsky argues our brains compensate. Stress hormones like cortisol, once reserved for escaping predators, now fuel 80-hour workweeks. But don't underestimate modern bodies. Olympic weightlifter Lasha Talakadze hoists 500 pounds, a feat impossible for prehistoric humans, says biomechanist Dr. Colin Shaw. Why? Modern training leverages technology, protein shakes, targeted hypertrophy, and recovery science. Archaeologist Dr. Alice Roberts notes, prehistoric strength was generalized, modern strength is specialized. So who wins? Let's consult the evidence. In 2018, anthropologist Dr. David Carrier recreated ancient combat using bone density scans. His verdict: a Neanderthal's punch would fracture a modern skull. But modern humans excel elsewhere. At Cima de los Huesos, Spain, 430,000 years ago, skeletons show repetitive stress injuries from constant labor. Contrast that with Dr. Ponser's 2021 metabolic study. Office workers burn fewer calories daily than hunter-gatherers, but our brains guzzle 20% of our energy, double our ancestors. And in 2019, archaeologists in Shanidar Cave, Iraq, found a Neanderthal with a healed leg fracture, proving ancient humans endured pain modern medicine would numb. Yet, Stanford's Dr. Sapolsky reminds us, modern anxiety disorders are the price of our complex brains. Strength isn't just muscle, it's resilience. From Olduvai Gorge to Silicon Valley, strength has transformed. Prehistoric humans conquered nature with physical grit. We conquer abstract frontiers with minds they couldn't fathom. But as Dr. Lee Berger, discoverer of Homo naledi, says, our ancestors' DNA still whispers in us. Their strength is our legacy. Ours is their evolution. So, are we stronger? The answer lies not in biceps or bones, but in our ability to adapt. After all, survival today demands more than lifting rocks. It demands lifting ideas. Strength is evolution. What's next?